Hello dears, welcome back. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get DIY stitching tutorials every single week. You need only 2-meter fabric to make this beautiful and amazing DIY blouse. Let's do it step by step. Cut a part of fabric which has weight of 28 inch and length of 42 inch. Then fold it into half to cut back and front together. Neck 3 inch, shoulder 8 inch, armholes 8 inch, chest round 10 inch, and waist 9 inch. Now it's the time to cut it. And now we are going to cut front neck a little bit deeper. Now's the time to cut sleeves. Take a part of fabric which has weight of 18 inch and length of 39 inch. Then make 4 layers. Now, place back part on the fabric, then mark 5 inch and finally draw the curved line. Now we are done with sleeves part as well. Now we are going to sign frilled layers places. First of all, mark 6 inch and then create a straight line, and after that 7 inch for the remaining. And now we are going to lining the front neck and armholes. Take a part of fabric like this and then marking them. After cutting 3 pieces, attach them with armholes and front neck from wrong side. We are done. Now turn it into right side and stitch it at the back side. And then press it with hot iron. Now for cutting front layers, take 3 pieces of fabric which has weight of 8 inch and length of 2 to 3 inch. Now stitch the trims with 3 pieces. Completed. And now it's the time to frill these 3 pieces together. And now take the front part and stitch these frilled layers directly under straight line. Now we're going to cut front part from the middle and creating 2 other pieces. Now stitch the sides. Now we're going to create bands for the both sides. Its length is 24 inch. And similarly, take 2 pieces of fabric which has length of 25 inch because after creating seam here, it will make itself shorter. First press it with the hot iron and then stitch both sides. Turn it into right side and then attach it with the front sides. Now take the sleeves, mark 7 inch in both of the sleeves and then create a straight line. These straight lines are for the frilled layers. For creating sleeves layers, take 4 pieces of fabric which has length of 34 inch and weight of 7.5 inch. Then again adding of trims, frilling and attaching them with the sleeves. Now attach the shoulders and the sides togetherly. Now first sew the sleeves itself and then attach it with the armholes. Beginning of the sleeves are a little bit bigger, so we are going to use elastic to make it a little bit organized and fit to your arm. So first measure your arm and then stitch that elastic with your sleeves. We are almost done. The last part is creating a space for the elastic. Stitch it like this, both of the sleeves. Now measure your hands round first and then insert the elastic inside of that space. Finally, we are done. You can also add buttons on the blouse. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Till next video, bye.